Thanks for joining. So I hope you like those clips. So what I'm really trying to say is get rid of that old-fashioned wheelbarrow you have in the back. I had it myself, I admit it, but once I discovered the gorilla cart, hey, there is no going back. There is no reason to have a wheelbarrow. I don't even know why wheelbarrows are still a thing anymore, because this makes sense. Time to start working smarter, not harder, folks. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. Go pick this up. Why you need to pick it up? Easy to handle, easy to maneuver, easy to clean. It's a workhorse. I've used it for soil, gravel, brick, pavers. It's definitely much easier to use than a wheelbarrow. The kind I happen to have is a 4 cubic foot. They do have different size capacities and different uses, so definitely check them out. Head to your big box store. Head over to gorillacarts.com. The other stuff I like about it has 4 wheels. Instead of 1 wheel with a wheelbarrow, 4. That's a new idea. It has 10-inch size wheels. It's easy to go any terrain. The one I have has about a 600-pound hauling capacity. Here you see me just getting a delivery of about 4 cubic yards of gravel stone that I gotta get to the backyard by myself. So, no fret. Got my gorilla cart, got my shovel, got a couple of weekends, and I'm just getting into it. So I hope you enjoy the video. As always, please subscribe, please like, please share, and if you have a gorilla cart, please share your experiences. Definitely go out and get this, and as always, be healthy, be well.
That